As a reminder, viewer discretion is advised, and check out the link below for Meta 7.
Hey Gumby, we have Sparkle.
Sparkle.
She said, I said, what's your nickname? And she just popped right out. Sparkle? I said, okay.
I see
Great
Sparkle.
nickname. She's sparkly. Okay, she's holding her knee out for everybody to see. Sparkle, tell us your knee story.
I don't have a knee story. It just hurts. It's swollen.
When did it start hurting?
2 weeks ago.
And then what happened?
It wouldn't work. I couldn't walk.
You were having trouble walking?
Yes.
And then what'd you do?
Came to see you
And then what did I tell you?
to take medication.
What else did I say? You are just not really. She doesn't want to tell her story. She wants me to guess. Or pull
to
the
keep
story.
it elevated and to put the
I
lotion on it.
think I told you you might need to get a shot.
Yes,
at
you
it.
did.
I think I offered you a shot.
Yes.
She told me that.
Not at that time. You
Yeah.
said try the medication first.
So let's try the medicine. Let's see if it gets better, right?
So I came in today for a shot.
And you tried the medicine, it just didn't help?
It knocked me out. Can't work.
So it
It's a
didn't. You
drug.
couldn't tolerate the medicine.
No.
All right. So you have pes anserine bursitis, which is that one little bursa that people get trouble with. I'm going to bring your knee down just a little bit right there. So right in this area, where the tendon of the sartorius muscle, which is the muscle that comes across here, comes around, inserts into the superior aspect of the tibia. Underneath that tendon is a little fluid-filled sac that allows the knee to work right. And if it gets inflamed or hurt, it's really hard to walk.
Yes.
Right. Good.
Will the fluid go away once you get the shot?
I think so, yes.
It'll
Actually, you don't
take-
really, this what you're feeling up in here, that's your knee. That's a different area. Your pain is coming from right in there.
So where's the fluid? Right here?
No, your fluid would actually be in here.
In here, but you just
Yeah.
can't see it then.
You can a little bit. See when I push on
A
that?
little
Yeah.
pokey.
Oh, I see it. Yep, coming out right there.
Yeah, there you go.
Got it.
All right, so you're okay if we video your procedure for our friends on YouTube and on the internet around the world,
Sure.
and for broadcast to the Mars probe?
Sure.
Okay, good. Just want to be sure that was all right. So we already poked on you a little bit here and found the spot. So we made a little bit of a dimple, all right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, you're not going to kick me, are you?
I'll try not to.
I appreciate that so very, very much.
It may. Reflexes, you know.
Okay, that sounds like an
Love her
excuse.
laugh.
That sounds like an excuse to kick the doctor. Is what it
Kind of
sounds.
those little knee things, you know, when they hit your knee and you. But just don't hit that spot. I won't kick you.
Yeah, the little knee thing.
Yeah, a little rubber mallet.
Yeah. Sometimes
Ooh.
we call those reflex hammers. You're getting
What
a
is
little cold
she-
spray.
Ooh.
She's numbing that for me. And
Hey.
we're gonna give you a little stick. And we're gonna squirt some medicine in there.
Almost over.
There we
Almost over.
go. A little bit more.
Okay.
Yay!
Yay! I'm better. I can feel it.
Can you feel it working already?
Yes.
You know, I just, you just
Better works after
you have a
that.
great personality. Can we
I know,
inject
I
you
love
more?
her.
Do you have any other spots that need injecting? All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to take it easy on this for the rest of the day. It should feel great here in just a few minutes. We're going to put a bandage on this for you, but tonight, about an hour before you go to bed, I'd like you to ice it for 20 minutes.
Okay.
All right? And then tomorrow it should feel great, but
good.
that's not an excuse to go hurt yourself.
No cartwheels.
No climbing trees.
No climbing trees, stay out of the
No
tree house.
backflips.
No backflips. Okay.
At least for a few days, we'd like that really to calm down before you do that.
Okay.
Let's get a bandage. Do we have a little bandage there, Miss Gumby Jean? Oh, you're gonna let me. Oh, thank you.
Perfect.
There we go.
Okay.
Voila. Matches your khaki.
Perfect.
Kind of does. Okay, we're not gonna show you your smiling face, but you get to jump up and walk,
Oh, good.
and I want to see how you feel. Go
Now?
ahead.
Walk.
Help her up. There we go.
Oh, she got it on her
She did it on her
own.
own. She did it on her own. Walk. Tell us.
Yay!
Pain's gone.
I can bend.
She can bend.
Don't go falling.
I gotta show Gumby. Say hey.
I am here to tell you about Meta 7. Meta 7 combines 7 vital nutrients that boost your metabolism. These essential nutrients boost your energy level and may even help you lose weight. The goal of Meta 7 is to help you activate your life. So if you are feeling a bit sluggish and want your energy back, try Meta 7 today.
Hey guys, Dr. Gilmore here. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like pimple popping and you've always wanted to do your own pimple popping, we've got just what you need. Super Pimple Popping Kit. It has everything you need to get the job done right. The instructions for getting your own Super Pimple Popping Kit are in the video description box below. Thanks again for watching.